Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University presented by Breckwell. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the igniter in your SP1002 Big E2 pellet stove.
Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on the stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you.
The tools needed for today's project are a 3/8" socket driver, and a 7/16" socket driver, needle nose pliers, and a 1/8" Allen wrench. Before starting our project, first make sure your stove is completely cool and then remove the power cord from the back of your stove. To remove the rear panel of the stove, use your socket driver to completely remove the 7 screws securing it to the stove. You can then lift and remove the rear panel and set it away from your work area. Next, locate and unplug the 2 wire leads coming from the auger motor that attach the wiring harness. Next, locate the retainer clip holding the auger motor to the auger drive shaft. While supporting the auger motor with one hand, use your needle nose pliers to remove the retainer clip. Next, locate and unplug the 2 wire leads coming from the igniter that attach the wiring harness. Now, using your nut driver, remove the 2 bolts that hold the igniter module in place. Once the bolts are removed, the igniter module and igniter housing will easily slide free from the stove. Then, using your Allen wrench, loosen the set screw on the back of the igniter module. This will allow the igniter module to slide free from the housing. Now, take your new igniter module and insert it into the igniter housing. Leave approximately 1/4 inch from the end of the housing to the tip of the igniter module. Then, tighten your set screw back up to hold the igniter in place. Then, insert the igniter housing and the igniter module back into its proper hole in the back side of the stove. Replace the 2 bolts and tighten securely with your nut driver. Reconnect the 2 wire leads from the igniter back to the wiring harness. Simply place it between the 2 flanges, line up the hole in the auger shaft, and insert the retaining clip. Once the retaining clip is secure and the auger motor is in place, reconnect the 2 wire leads to the wiring harness. To install the rear panel, set it in place and hold it with one hand, and then insert and tighten the 7 screws to secure it. Now that our project is complete, be sure to plug the stove back in and turn it on to check for proper operation.
Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you.
Should you have any further questions, please visit our website at www.breckwell.com or contact our customer service toll-free at 1-866-606-8444. Thank you for watching Burn Tech University.